To set up the payment method, we navigate to the store management section and select settings. In the settings page, we select payments. So here you can see the list of available payment methods. So for this example, we'll set up the cash on delivery payment method. So we search. So you can see the payment method. So we go ahead and install. So once it is installed, we select the cash on delivery payment method and then click on the edit button. So in the edit page, so we enter a figure. So this is the checkout total the order must reach before this payment method becomes active. So we select the figure as select 1, we enter 1 here, we choose another status, pending, we enable this status, enter a sort order number 2, and then we save. So now the cash on delivery payment method is active. So let us go ahead and check the front end. So we are going to place an order. So we select this product, we add to cart, and then we check out. Choose a delivery method. So in the payment method section, you can see the cash on delivery payment method is active. So we select it, continue. So click on the confirm order. So the order has been placed. So let us check this in the admin panel. To view the order, we navigate to the store management section and select sales. In the sales page, we select orders. So here you can see the order. So we click on the view button. So in the order details page, you can see the cash on delivery payment method and the shipping method. So we can adjust the order status using this section. So this is an example on how to set up your store payment method. Thank you for watching.